Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Computer Vision. Part 1. Teaching AI to see, from photos to features. Imagine your computer not just displaying photos, but understanding what's asterisk in them. That's computer vision. It's the exciting field where we teach AI to interpret and make sense of the visual world. Just like we do. From recognizing faces on your phone to self-driving cars. It's all powered by AI learning to see. For developers, this opens up a whole new world of intelligent applications. Think about how you recognize a cat. You don't just see a jumble of dots. Your brain instantly picks out whiskers, pointy ears, a tail. You recognize patterns, shapes, and textures. You break down the complex image into simpler, understandable features. Computer vision tries to mimic this process, finding those key pieces of information within an image to understand the bigger picture. We're essentially trying to give a computer eyes and a brain to process what it sees. Unlike us, computers don't see beautiful images. They see grids of numbers. Every single photo on your screen is broken down into tiny squares called pixels. Each pixel has a numerical value representing its color and brightness. So, for a computer, a picture of a cat is just a giant spreadsheet, or, more technically, a multi-dimensional array of numbers. As a developer, understanding this numerical representation is the very first step in working with image data. How do computers handle color? Most digital images use the RGB model: red, green, and blue. Each pixel actually has 3 numbers associated with it. One for the intensity of red, one for green, and one for blue. Values usually from 0 to 255. By mixing these 3 values, almost any color can be created. So, that spreadsheet of numbers from the previous slide is actually 3 spreadsheets, or channels, stacked on top of each other, providing rich color information for every pixel. Just looking at individual pixel numbers isn't enough to understand a cat. It's like trying to understand a book by just reading individual letters without forming words or sentences. We need to find meaningful patterns or features within those numbers. These features could be edges, where colors sharply change, corners, textures, or specific shapes. This is where the magic of AI truly begins to transform raw data into understanding. Moving from, what are the numbers? To what do the numbers represent? Single quote. How do we extract features from pixel data? One basic way is using filters or kernels. Imagine a small magnifying glass, a small grid of numbers, e.g., 3x3, that you slide over your image. The big grid of numbers. At each step, you perform a simple calculation, like multiplying the numbers under your magnifying glass by the filter's numbers and summing them up. The result is a single new number for your feature map. This process can highlight edges, sharpen images, or blur them, all programmatically. These simple features, like edges or corners, are the fundamental building blocks. An AI can learn to combine these basic features into more complex ones. For example, several edges arranged in a certain way might form the outline of an ear. Many ears and other features together can help the AI recognize a cat. By breaking down images into these hierarchical features, AI can learn to identify objects and scenes with incredible accuracy, moving from detecting lines to recognizing a full object. Once we have these features, the next challenge is teaching the AI to learn from them and make decisions. This is where more advanced techniques, like neural networks, especially convolutional neural networks, come into play. They automate the process of finding the asterisk best features and combining them to understand images, rather than us hand-coding every filter. In the next part, we'll dive deeper into how AI learns to connect these automatically discovered features to actual objects and concepts, truly bringing vision to life for our machines. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.